McIntosh, 1985, propounded an important chronology, relying on a framework of Lessing's typology. She divided the whole culture into 6 periods in relation to available radiocarbon dates. Her studies appear to be accurate as she not only analyzed artifacts but also paid attention to grave morphology, funerary rites, and geographical distribution. That complex view made it possible to notice patterns of development in each sub-period. Another advantage of McIntosh's chronology is its simplicity. The divisions are clear. One of the recently produced chronologies would place a period between 1200 BC and 300 BC with megalithic tradition continuing in the early centuries of the Christian era. It is proposed to divide it into 2 broad phases. Early up to 500 BC with the predominance of pastoral economy, and later from 500 BC onwards with the broad uses of iron and popularization of agriculture and arts. Undoubtedly, scientific methods are the most prominent nowadays. However, more traditional relative dating methods should not be put into oblivion. In many cases, the dating of the later phases of the culture can be executed thanks to coins discovered in association with the deposit. Those are mainly Roman coins from the last centuries and first centuries AD. Another facility in the dating process could be found in the presence of historical monuments. A subsidiary stupa erected on a megalithic urn burial at Amaravati in the Guntur district is an interesting example. Because of the tendency to overlap with each other, it is not possible to draw any categorical chronological line. The occurrence of Tamil Brahmi inscribed swords, punch marked coins in the Coimbatore district, and Roman coins from megalithic graves indicate that these burial customs survived in some places even after entering into the historical period. A large number of habitation sites reveal overlap phases either with the previous or later period. At Brahmagiri, Maski, Sanganakalu, and Halur, for instance, the layers do not consist of purely iron age components, but those elements increase from the lower to the middle levels and begin to decrease upwards. To gather and categorize objects of material culture, the one proposed by Lessing 1974 reserves a note as the most comprehensive based on analogies from Taxila and Arikamedu. The typology prepared by Lessing was based on categories of artifacts and goes as follows. Category 1 belongs to the ceramics, Category 2 weapons, Category 3 field implements, Category 4 domestic implements, Category 5 bridal equipments, Category 6 bells and jingles, Category 7 ornaments and cosmetic, Category 8 metal lids and stoppers, like that. There are basic ceramic wares occurring in association with the Iron Age in South India, namely the black and red ware, all black ware, and red ware with or without slip. All the others, such as brown ware, coarse red ware, or micaceous red ware, are local variations. The most popular shapes in habitation deposits included bowls, lids, vases, and globular pots, basins, dishes, and jars, carinated bowls. In the burial context, the overall frequency is almost like bowls, lids, vases, globular pots, and leg vases were the most popular forms. However, regional variations were little bit stronger. Dishes, ring stands, conical vases, and pyriform jars appear to be characteristic for Tamil Nadu burials. Ring stands, dishes, and miniature pots are especially popular in Andhra Pradesh. Spouted pots can be made in Karnataka. Basins frequently found in Vidarbha habitation almost do not occur in the grave context, which may indicate that they are strictly utilitarian function. Megalithic burials. The typology of megalithic burials lies in the variation between the surface indication and the excavated plan and the content. For instance, a cairn circle may contain a cyst on sarcophagus or even simple pit burial. That is why each tomb should be in fact treated separately and definitely not classified only upon external traits or order had to be pursued. The first successful attempt to typologize South Indian megaliths was made by Krishnaswamy.